So, welcome to day 3, a challenge of email marketing. That means email marketing challenge. And today is our last day of the challenge. So today we are going to discuss the in-depth knowledge and some practical knowledge about like how to create the email campaign. In email campaign, what are the parameters we need to add, like subject line, email body copy, then call to action, then how to create your automate sequence so that you can add like based upon your time duration you can send to your audience. So these are the things we are going to discuss today, and also I am giving you some things related to A/B testing. But in free tool you do not have the A/B testing scenario, but whenever you are creating your email campaign you should add a like a if else condition so that you can divide your subject line, divide your email campaign to your audience. So these are the things we are going to discuss today. So I think is that day on the day one, I already told you, like if you complete my task, then I'll give you some special prize, right? So surprise or prizes. So I think, have you completed the task? Any single task? That day 2 task also fine. Day 1 task and day 2 task, is anything completed? Just put it in the comment box so that I can know. Yeah, maybe you are in the winner side. So that's why. Day 1, day 2 completed, right? Yeah, great. Okay, thank you. Yes, Praveen also done that. Yes. Okay. So I am sharing my screen now. So let me know in the comment box itself. Okay. Yeah. So today the day 3 email marketing challenge that I use, as you know, it is the day last day of the challenge. So today the topic is email copywriting secret. That means your in email copywriting, it should be your subject line, your body copy, then your call to action, how to check your email campaign in mobile devices. So these are the things is coming under the copywriting skills. Okay, and then how to build the email campaign. Right, today I'll give you all the example in practical so that you can learn more things. Okay, and the last one is automation secret. That means how to create your first automation. That means maybe it is your email automation like welcome email, lead magnet email, the sequences, the webinar sequences you need to create. So that's why I'll give you the webinar sequences so that you can create that. And also maybe I'll create the new automation sequence for webinar sequence so that I can give you. Maybe tomorrow I'll send it to you. Okay. Yes. So yeah, then what is the email copywriting secret? Before going to create our email copywriting subject line and the body copy and call to action, I'll just giving you some secrets how to create that. Okay, first start with a compelling subject line. That means this is the first thing. This is the subject line is the first parameter where our audience see in their inbox. So for example, you are going to the Gmail right now and see there is some, first of all, they are coming as a subject line. Before reading to your content, first subject line. If the subject line is in related to your niche, then just click on that. Suppose you want loan and someone is sending an email related to the loan, personal loan. Then you'll click on that, right? So same way, that is the first things your audience is see in their inbox. So that's why subject line is most important whenever you're creating your email campaign. Second one is understand your audience. Why it is required? That means already in the last 2 days, why I'm telling like audience on like segmentation, or understand your audience in segmentations. That means if you do not about your audience, what their interest, what their pain points, what their criteria, you can't create your body copy, right? Suppose they want different content but you are sending a different content, then they are not like they are not engaging your content. Maybe if you know your audience, what they want, what their criteria, what the needs, so definitely they are like engaging your content, they are see your emails, they are taking actions on your email. Maybe you are providing some product services, some promotional email, so that they are going to click on because they want related to their services, right? So they need to click on your emails. Then third one is right to solve the problems. So in your body copy, you should add why this service is related to this. That means what type of solutions you are providing, how you are solving the problem. So this type of content you can create in your body copy. Do not send directly the random content, so that people should on directly go and unsubscribing if it is not related to their content, related to their problem. There, if you are not solving their problem, they're going to directly going and just unsubscribe the email. So do not do like this. Okay. And create a strong call to action. That means it should be a whenever you are putting a subject line, that is equal to your call to action. If you are putting it is for a promotional email, then your call to action is also related to the promotion, so that people like me or any other person, if it is a cold, if it is a new person, he don't know about this the things, you just saw email, yeah, this is related to me, and see the call to action. Yes, maybe I need to click on this, I need to redirect to like promotional page or payment page, website page, or any other pages you are providing, you are giving to them, so they are going to redirect and take an action. Then build trust and credibility. If you are sending, if you are like maintaining the first 4 points, then you can like automatically it will increase your trust and credibility. So that's why I am putting it the first 4 points. These are the main criteria. Like you have to understand your audience, pain points, how you can solve the problem, what type of subject line you can create for your audience. So, and then if you are finding the 4 point, then definitely that will help you to build the trust and credibility. And then personalization. Why? Personalization means what? Now your audience information. For example, whenever you are writing your body copy, like your email campaign, your email content you are writing, you should add your audience information anyway. If you are putting it high, your personalization name, then okay. And also in between any your email content, you should add your email like your personalization, that means audience information you should add, so that people will know, or I can know, yes, this email is for me. So definitely they are going to see your email, engaging your content. If you are providing any kind such content related to promotion, maybe they are going to take an action, maybe not, maybe they will open the email. Then if they open the email, if they are not taking an action, then you can redirect to any other pages or any other email. So that also you can do. And then 7 was mobile optimization. Mobile optimization means whenever you are creating your email campaign or email content, it should be mobile devices. That because most of the people are using mobile device nowadays. Most of the people, nearly 65% people are using mobile nowadays for checking, for social media, for checking their emails, a lot of things. So definitely whenever creating your email content, it should be mobile responsive. So this is the secrets of your email copywriting. Got it? Let me know in the comment box. If any doubt, any single doubt, then I can trying to solve it. Okay. Yeah, then let's create your, okay. First one, I have told you how to create a compelling subject line. I will give you some script, AI script. I'll also tell you what type of subject line you can create. So, and also I'll give you some script so that you can create your email subject line. Okay. Let me share my, yeah, I have already given you that. Yes. Yes. So what are the points you need to mention, you need to maintain whenever creating your subject line? First is, do not use capital into your subject line, because it looks like you are selling something. Whenever you are creating your email subject line and you are adding some, let's suppose I'm putting it like this. For example, I'm putting it for reminder. For reminder, and yeah, you can tell congratulations whenever your audience submit, like subscribe you, that time suppose you are putting it, congrats, you are in, suppose. Do not use capital letter. If you are putting capital letter, it should be only one, not two. You can put it like this, and it looks like you are telling to your, you are talking to your friend. If you are doing like this, it's a like what kind of things I tell, like you can know these things. This is the little things, like automatically if you are doing like this, people are thinking you are selling something, you are doing some kind of promotional information. So do not do like this. You can use also like this, congrats, or you can, whenever you are putting some personalization your audience name, suppose Avi, or do not put like this. If you are putting, yeah, it's okay, because I already told you use only one capital letter, or if you are not using capital letter, you can also use like this. If you are doing like this, right, it's looking like you are talking to your friends, so that people are thinking, yes, maybe this email is for me, then they are going to click on your email. And keep your length 50 characters including space. Do not do like more than 50 characters. I already like tested it, that's why I have given you this. I have already tested it, this then you just keep your length, it should be 50 characters including space. And personalization becoming a must to do thing. That means here you need to add a personalization here, like this. Personalization means your audience name. And then the emoji, use them occasionally and appropriately, meaning they are match the context of your subject line. If your context line, if your subject line is matching to your some, you're putting it some like I want to put some a rocket symbol, like unleash the power of email marketing. Okay, so that I know unleash the power of email marketing means I need to grow my email marketing rapidly. So that what I can do, I can put a rocket symbol here, a rocket icon. Okay, so same way, whenever you are putting creating your subject line, it's whenever you are add your like emoji, it should be like understandable what you are writing your email subject line, and it should be match to your subject line. This is very much important, because if you are putting it some other things, right, smiley, yeah, putting, you can put smiley, but it should be match with your context, what match with your subject line. And segment your list. That means already I told you how you can segment your list, that is also required. And do not use spam words, like why I'm telling it now, do not use free, like this. If you are putting suppose free ebook, I'll put it free ebook like this. Suppose I use free ebook here like this. Do not do like this. If you are using free ebook, it will land to your spam folder, because free is your spam folder, spam words. What you can do, suppose you are writing, you need to write free. So there is a hack. You just put it like this. There is a apostrophe s or space, or you can put dot. So in this email marketing tools, it will not read as a spam word, right? So do not, okay, spam word, do not use like this directly free, or do not use like this yeah, this is the tool, but this is a word, but I can give you 10 more words, like after once the session done, I'll give you, I have some spam words, I have already created that, so that I'll give it to you some 10 to 20 spam words, so that you can never use in your email marketing campaigns. Okay, yeah, got it, right? Did you got it what I said? So these are the small tricks, like do not use like this. And the content of your email matches your subject line, that whenever you are creating your content, that means I'll tell you how to create your content, it should be match your subject line. So this is the hacks, so that you can use it whenever creating your subject line. And what type of subject line that gets opened, like most probably I am also using 2 to 3 subject line, like type of subject line. Also you can use the same way, because I got first, when I started with my subject line email marketing, I got 2 to 23% of open rates, but now I'm getting nearly 10 to 10% of open rates. And this is still I'm working on that to nearly to reach 20-25 open rates, click on open rates. So but I'm still working on that, and that's why I'm telling you what type of email subject line you should use for getting opened. First one is personalized, that means your audience information you should add. And urgency basis, how you can get it, urgency basis. Suppose if you are like doing one webinar, and if for urgent basis you are talking, like telling people to come to your webinar, join webinar, you can put it urgently basis. And also I'll help you today how to today I'll give you how to create the subject line using AI. Also if you created that subject line, how to test if is people are going to open or not, that also I'm going to help you. Okay, just 1 minute. And then is curiosity is creating. Curiosity means like curiosity is type of, I'll also help you. There is some, whenever are testing your subject line, there are some proper format, they are giving some 3 to 4 formats so that you can use it. In that case, curiosities type of subject line also you can create there. Then benefits, any kind of benefits you are providing, that type of subject line you are creating. Then short and sweet, simple, like this. I have created we congrats you are in, that means I'm just welcome to my audience, so that you can put it here. I have added the personalization, also I have created I have also added that short answer, shortcut words also I have it used, and I do not use any kind of spam word here. Okay, and then FOMO, fear of missing out, any kind of like FOMO type of subject line you can create. Then providing like social proof, if you have already like any kind of testimonial and you want to show to your audience, then that type of subject line also you can create for your audience. Okay, and yes, now I'll show you how to create your subject line by using AI chat GPT. So I have created a prompt here, created. So I have given in my way, in my niche, but as per your niche also you can change it. I'll help you here how to do that. Create a list of 10 catchy and engaging subject line for a Black Friday marketing email promoting 15% discount on new membership. The subject line should be fun, friendly, and intriguing to encourage readers to open the email and explore the sale. Suppose I am going to go copy, and what I do, I just open the chat GPT here. What I can do, I can just click on that. Then they will give some kind of, yeah, see, they give 10 catchy subject line. And also what you can do, if you want to get more variation, suppose I'll click on this section. What I can do, I just give you one thing, give me more variation on this. Again, they will give more variations. So suppose you got the subject line here, right? So how you can test it is that subject line is properly going to work or not, if my audience is going to open or not. What you can do, I'll give a simple tool, free tool, sorry. I'll give a simple free tool here, that is subjectline.com. This is a free tool, you can use it also. I'll paste it here. Subjectline.com. What I can do, I just go, and I already copied one subject line, I just paste it here. Sorry, not here. I just go and copied some, okay, this one. Suppose I just copied this subject line. What I can do, I just go to there, paste it here, evaluate. 100%. See, this is a marketing, you can use it, check it. Contains any words as more than 8 characters, needs subtitle, urgency basis, contents of, and these are the points they are mentioning. See, then our advice is good job, your subject line meets industry standard. And then they will give some, see, subjectline.com beta, they will give more font, Like you can use this one also, you can use the subject line. More fun, urgency basis, new members in 15% of this Black Friday, you can put in urgency basis. Then tactic changes, how you can do that, reveal the magic 15% of new membership this Black Friday. Suspenseful, if anything suspenseful, you can put your subject line, you can do like this. Got it? Any doubt? Is that subject line outcome, is this tool is helpful for you? Put in the comment box. Yes. So this is the way you can start creating your subject line, and this one also help you, because I also used last I think for 3 months or 4 months I used this tool, and also I'm using this AI prompt to create my subject line. So I think you saw most of this some subject line people are creating directly, go and submit how create my subject line for this, but you need to find out what type of subject line you need. You can also use, whenever you're putting it in your like chat GPT prompt, right, you can use suspenseful and urgency and also more fun or friendly subject line. You can use it so that they will give some like variation, so that you can use it in your email marketing campaigns. Okay, so this is the way you can start creating your subject line. Let me know any doubts. Then once you create your subject line, then what is then the next thing is create your email content, right? Body copy, create your body copy. How to create your body copy? Okay, what I can do, because you already selected this one is your subject line, based upon this subject line you need to create your body copy. How? I'll help you here. Sorry. What you can do, see, this is they given me this Black Friday, then email body copy. Create an email body copy for an event invitations. Start with an engaging introductions about the upcoming event. Suppose in upcoming event you can put it, suppose in your webinar or something. Okay, including its date and venue. Highlight the benefits of attending, such as networking opportunity, educational content, provide clear event registration details, and compelling this one. So what I can do, I just copy this one, go to chat GPT, I just paste it, and what I can do, I just create a body copy for the subject line. Okay, suppose this one is your subject line, for example. Maybe I took that. This is small changes you can do also, because I have changed my content. Suppose I'll also tell you how to create that, but I'm just putting it my event here. So create an body copy for an event. Suppose it is event is webinar event, suppose FBR's webinar invitation, FB Facebook ads webinar, starting with this. So like this I have just given. So what I can do, I just click on this. So they will give some kind of subject line copy. Okay, why this is, got it? So this type of bonus, if you want to create any kind of things, so they will give some kind of subject line with the body copy, and what you can do, just copy and paste it. That's simple. Just you can create your body copy here. Any doubts? Let me know in the comment box. Okay. So this is that means you created a subject line, you created your body copy. Then what we can do, we can create an email campaign here. Okay, by using our email marketing tools, we can create our so here what we have already created the contacts, we have created the segmentation. Then what we can do, we can create our email campaign here. So I just click on the email campaign. I just click on the create campaign. What I can do, I just go to the email and I just create a regular, because A/B testing is not there, because if it is a free tool, that will ask for upgrade. Don't go there, just go for the free tool. Then email campaign name you can use FB Arts email campaign. I just use it, create a campaign. Then here this is the most point, edit the form. I just trying to edit here. So here I already told you, whenever you are start your register your email campaign, do not use Gmail. See, if you go to use your Gmail, it will ask for you are using a email address for a free domain service. We recommended using a custom email address to help your campaign reach to your audience main inbox. Do not use Gmail right now. It is for, I have given you some example, that's why I'm using this one, but also I have a domain here, courseaspire.com. So I just click on this, select this one. Okay, if you are, because and yeah, we need to authenticate. Right now I have not authenticated, but in your email marketing, how you can authenticate, I already told you in the first day. So same way you can do the authentication, but just now I'll just select this one. Okay, for I just given you this example, that's why. But do not use Gmail in your email marketing tools, because it will, your deliverability will decrease. Deliverability, that already already told you, deliverability means your audience, it is not reach to your audience inbox. Maybe it is going to your spam folder, your audience spam folder. So do not use Gmail, because I have already tested. So that's why I'm telling you here. So here you just use your domain email address, suppose domain is your name. So support@yourname.com also you can use it. So once you've done that, so you add it your name here, your name, whatever name you need to add, and then click on save. Once you save it, then it will ask for two. Two means, suppose you have number of list, right? I have given you yesterday, I added a list, and in that list you need to add all the contacts, and also you have given the segmentation, and here you need to add the list or segmentation, whatever you need. See, select a list or segment. Suppose you are sending this email to the red segment. Yesterday I have created red segment. Suppose you need to add this email to red segment. What you can do, go select the segment, my segment, red segment. That means here only one people is there, red segment, and this email is going to only for one person, not for other person. Maybe in this segment, maybe 1,000 subscriber, this email is going to be the 1,000 subscribers email inboxes. So that's why if you want to go to select, if you have not created any segment, then you can go with the list. If you are already created the segment, then go to the segment, select the segment here. See, click on the segment. Once you select the segment, what you can do, yeah, it will ask for, okay, I think yesterday I have not saved it. Okay, I'll just, what I can do, I just go with the list here. It will ask oh, what happened, 1 minute, let's, okay, I need to check that how many people do not send the engaged. Let's, okay, 0. Okay, for example, I have a list here. Suppose, for example, yeah, why it is showing like this? Marketing automation, conversion, contacts, leads. 1 minute, please. Okay. As per your list, maybe in your list, maybe 1,000 subscribers are there. So based upon your list, you can select the list. I'm selected one list here. So here what I can do, select my list or segment, then I click on save. Then what is asking for subject? That means your subject line. What you can do, just go to your chat GPT. Already you have created your subject line here. Copy the subject line. If you see, is there some kind of capital, also you can remove the capital as per your needs. And also here you created your subject line. Suppose you are thinking maybe I need some different criteria, different way. So click on use AI. They will give you some kind of use it. Use a proactive statement, use power words, highlight benefit, keep it short, use alternation. You can, what you can do, click on keep it short. For example, whatever you need, you just use it. So what secret to mastering Facebook ads webinar, use it. If you want to add your preview text, that's up to you. Okay, then click on save. You have you are created the subject line. Then design, start design. That means you need a design, you need a template. Suppose they have given some layout here. So this is default template, sell a product template, tell a story template. This is register for an event template, and this is for start from scratch. That means it's a custom template, you can create it. So like this, I have created a custom here. So suppose if you are going here, also a template gallery also there. In template gallery, maybe lot of templates are there. You can use it as per your niche or as per your design. You can use it, and also you can change the design. And then they will ask for my template. The my template means whatever you have created. See, suppose I have created this template, so that's why this is my template. And the campaign, this is campaign template based upon your whatever you have created. I have created some campaign template, so that's why I'm giving it, is giving you. But what you can do, go with the layouts, just take the three layouts, three layouts and the template gallery. Suppose if you want to go for this, suppose I'm going for this webinar, this template, I just click on the use template here. And they will give some options to content changes your things. So let's see what minute to load. It is loading. It is why it is loading. Okay, it is taking one time, some time. Let's okay. Yeah, see, they are given this template here. What you can do, as per your content, you just go copy the content here. For example, I have copied the content up to warm regards, and also I'll tell you how to add your audience information here. Go, what I can do, I just double click on that, double click, okay, double click, I just paste here. See, I have added my content here, and here dear recipient is near added, right? What you can do, just remove from here, and there is already available. Where it is, I think here. Yes, see, this is the icon, right? What you can do, click on this. It will ask simple advanced options. Do not go for advanced condition. Use some, which attribute you need to like to insert. Suppose I need to insert name, first name. Okay, 1 minute. I am trying to, see, first name. I just click on this first name. Then which value should use to attribute empty. Suppose I just leave it like this now. Okay, I just click on insert. Once you click on insert, dear your name, suppose you have two name, one is A and B. Dear A, it is should be go to the A, two persons, right? dear A, then we are excited to this, and you can change your design as per your niche, like as per your things you can change it. And also if you want to add this call to action button, you can add it somewhere. I think it's a different space, so you can add it over also in the down itself. And once you add that, you just click on this, double click on that, and okay, sorry, double click on that, register now. Okay, register now, spacing, width, button setting, block setting is there, and you can change it as per your way. And they will give so hide options also. And once suppose you have created this, okay, you have created, and you need to check if it is okay. It is for, maybe it is for website. What, how can create that? See that key, how you can create for the mobile device. See, there is two options, one is desktop mode, one is mobile mode. Click on the mobile mode, it will create as per your way. That means you need to change your based upon your mobile responsive. That means you created for your mobile responsive. People also can see their the content in their mobile, that email in their mobile. The what you can do, then save and quit. That means your content is done here. Then once you've done that, that means design is done. Edit design, if you want to edit, you can edit it. Then advanced setting also there. Do not go for edit setting because this is done. Then if you want to schedule, 1 minute, if you want to schedule, then you can also preview and test how your email is like this, look like is this. And also if before sending to your audience, you can test, yeah, is it going to your line? Okay, I'll test it now. Oh, mail to Karthik. Okay, no. Just I need to check, is that properly working or not? New test recipient. I'm going to send test. We need to test how it is going to look like this. I have already opened, I think. Yes, this one. Let's see how it is coming. Already send it. Let's see. Yeah, see, Karthik Samantrai. TST Secret of Mastering Facebook Ads webinar. I just click on that. See, the email is coming like this. Also, as per you can change the design. That up to you, how you can change your design so that it will looks like good. Got it, right? So this is the way you can do your email campaign. Once the email campaign, because here I have tested it, then once all the things is done, what you can do, you can schedule it, or you can send it now. It will give you send it now or schedule it later based upon your date, and send at the best time. I think use upgrade. Okay, you just go use like this to send now, send it later. Later means you can use the date, and which time you need to send, that time you can send it. Then then you just click on send now. If it is a okay, if it going to send now, you just click on send now. If you are going to send it now to do like tomorrow or day after tomorrow or later, you just put a date. It should be scheduled based upon your time. It's going to your audience inbox. Okay, so this is the way you can create your email campaign. Any doubt, let me know in the chat box. Can we, yeah, I think Ravi, can we get domain from Brevo? No, you have your custom domain, right? You can use it in your email marketing. So do not, like, they will not provide any kind of domain. They will give like this, like this they will give app.brevo with your name. As per your name, you register your Brevo. You just use your domain address. Okay, so that you can add the all this. so that you can add all the information like TXT records, MX records into your email mark in your domain with connection to your domain, your email marketing tools, so that you can use it. Okay, so this is the things that means we created your subject line, email campaign, like sorry, a body copy, you added your email campaign. Then what the next? We need to once this is the way you can send your email campaign. That means one by one you can send your email campaign. And another thing is automation. How to automate our emails, and how you can add our time duration so that it will reach to your my audience inbox. So this is the way. One more way also, you can send your email campaign. We can create our email marketing things. So that is called automation. Okay, in automation needs some kind of email templates. So you think that right now I'm going to create automation. So before creating your automation, you need to create your email template. Email campaign is different. Email sequence is different. Email campaign you can send one by one you can send to your audience, but email sequence, all the sequence based upon your time duration, it will land to your audience inbox. And yeah, in automation, you need to create your email template. That also, whenever the same content also you can write in your email template. So here I have created, suppose welcome email template. In welcome email template, what I created, I just told you to, and I just welcoming my audience to add it added into my email list. So that's why I just created a email list here. This is my welcome email. For example, I have created welcome email, and I'll show you some templates here, demo templates. One is welcome email, maybe one is detail abandoned cart. Suppose people are coming to my website, and what he is doing now, he is submit their information but not buy the product. For example, e-commerce website, you just go and take then one product, mobile product, and you think that then you need to buy, but what you can do is just submit the information in the checkout page and you are not going to buy, you just skip it. Then in that case, I am going to, what I can do, I just track the information, I can directly send to your to you key there is a product in your email in your cart. Before increasing the price, you can just go and check it out. So this is called abandoned cart email. So I'll not go to the email, what are the types of email now, but I'll just help you out what are the emails you can send here. Then here subscription, follow-up email, like kind of follow-up emails or reminder emails you can create for your audience. So that also same, if you are creating for welcome abandoned cart, just use your information and send, yeah, there is a product into cart, before increasing the price, go and purchase it out. So this is the way of creating your emails. Okay, so this, suppose I have created 3 to 5 email templates. So I'll start my email sequences. How we can create? I just go to the automation. What I can do, I create an automation. Here it will give you some most popular abandoned cart, per product purchase, welcome message, and marketing activity, anniversary date. Suppose I'm going for welcome message, where send a welcome message after a subscriber join your list. I just use it. What they will give some kind of already DFY already done for you templates. What you can do, use this automation first. Do not use directly, but just change as per your needs. Suppose welcome message, start with workflow when contact is added to your list. Suppose I have already a list, this one. I just click on next. Okay, and then it will ask, okay, I'll not give you now. Okay, here it will ask for maybe, okay, and because I have removed that, I'll go and show you the custom option. Then I'll show you the default sequences, because in default sequences automatically it will one by one it is coming, so that you will not understand. So what I can do, name of your email automation, suppose welcome automation. or webinar automation. I just can say webinar automation because welcome automation is including webinar automation. So that's why I just put it welcome webinar automation, and description explain the automation is about the few words. I just what I can do, I just copy and paste it here, and then allow your contacts to enter your automation more than once. If you want your audience is coming to this automation again and again multiple times, you can use it. If you don't want, do not use it. Then I don't want, so that I just create the automation now. Then what I can do, I just go and I just what I can do, entry point. Entry point means when that means event, when you want to send email, the welcome email. When then like when my audience is submit the information from my form and added to my email list, then I'll send a welcome email. What I can do, I just click on this. There is a option called 1 minute. It's not going. Create an entry point. I just click. What is this? Okay, sure, got it. So what I can do, I just click on this entry point, and I need to add contact details, or sorry, I need to add an event happens. I just click on that. What events you need to add, or you just no, do not use this. I can say contact details, contact attributes. Yes, see, whenever an audience added to my list, then I'll send a email list. I send an email. I just click on this contact is added to a list. This is a list. I just go and okay. What I can do, I need to, whenever my audience is coming to my list, I need to wait for 5 minutes. I just add a delay here, or until wait something, add a delay. In delay, it will ask for how many minutes you need to delay. Suppose 5 minutes. 5 minutes or hours, days, week, month, as per your things, you can change it. Put it okay here. Once you click on OK, then it will ask for email. That means you need to, after 5 minutes, you need to send an email. Then I just click on the send an email. What I can do, I just select from here a welcome email, because I have created a welcome email. I just select a welcome email, and here do not use this because I want to send hidden copy of this email. I want to choose when to send this email. I use my event data to customize the email, because already you have created the timing, the duration. After 5 minutes, you need to send email. You just go and click OK. After that, what you can see, suppose this is the way of sequencing I'm just telling. After welcome them, then you just giving to a lead sequences, lead magnet email you need to send to your audience. How? Now I need to wait for some 2 hours. For example, I just wait for 2 hours, and then I'll give them a like lead magnet emails. Lead magnet means any kind of ebooks, PDFs, to educate them about the product services. What I can do, I just again click on the plus symbol, and what I can do, I just send an email here. And for example, this is suppose simple sorry, see, unsubscription follow up. Suppose this is my lead magnet email template. I just select, you just select your lead magnet for sequence, lead magnet template. I just selected this. Suppose for me, this is my lead magnet email template. So just click on that. I just okay. Then I just wait. I just think that maybe 100 people is added to my email list, and out of 100 people, I just welcome the people is only 20 people is opened my email, welcome email, and 10 people is opened my lead magnet sequence. So that what you can see do here, you just put a if else condition, like you need to tell the rest peoples you need to open my email. You need to think that I need to create one more sequence, so that my all like my rest people's also going to open my email. What you can say, what you can do here, click on plus symbol. There is a if else condition. See, if else condition, if else. What I can do, if else, then in the if else you just put it the contact details. In the contact details, a contact submit. Okay, a contacts in the list, contact attribute condition. You can use it marketing activity. See, I'll just check it. What? Marketing activity, all campaign. If you are going for, because welcome email is there, right? So if my audience is opened this welcome email, then at any time, what I can do, I just click on OK. See, there is a if else condition. If my audience is open this welcome email, then if open, then I'll redirect to my other email. That means some reminder email. For example, this is my reminder email. Reminder for webinar, because this is my webinar sequences, right? I just given for WhatsApp to joining, reminder for join my WhatsApp group or Facebook group, or giving some valuable content so that they will learn about those things, about your services, products. So I just wait like this. I just given a, send them a like other email. If the people is not open my welcome email, again I need to resend the same welcome email to them. Okay, again I will send a welcome email to them. If the people is opening my welcome email, again what I can do, I just go and send my lead magnet sequence, lead magnet email to them. That means they are not getting the lead magnet email, right? So that's why then I'll going to give it to them. So in that case, if they open, then what I can do, I just go and I can use some other condition. And also here what you can do is just go and check it out. Any other kind of emails you can send it or not, for reminder, for educate them about product services, and lot of emails also you can create in your sequences. So this is the way also you can create your email sequences. Got it? Or any doubt here? I'll also help you after this. I'll give away A/B testing, how can do A/B testing here. Let me know, did you got it or any doubts you have? Okay, yes, got it. Okay, thank you for confirming me. And then one more example I'll need to tell you here is A/B testing. How to, because in A/B we do not have the A/B testing scenario for the free version, but how you can do that. So go to again the create an automation, create a custom automation. Suppose I'll put it A/B testing, A/B test. And A/B test, in A/B test already I told you, you need to create a 2 subject line. Suppose you have one content and you need to test how many peoples are open this email, this subject line email, how many peoples are going to this subject line email. I'll help you, I'll tell you here. I'll create a new template here. Okay, I'll create a new template. One is okay, I'll create a new template so that you can know that. What I can say in the template name, suppose a template. This is a template, and here I need to add a subject line. Suppose same email, I need to use some urgency basis subject line. I just copied and paste here, and preview text. Okay, from name. Okay, the next step is asking for your design, which design you need to use. Suppose I'm going for the campaign, because I have a campaign. So no, I'll just go with the new template, my template or gallery layouts. I'll just go with the layouts. I just click on this I just copied my content here. Same contents. I suppose I'm helping with the same content now. I just use sorry, call to action is not there. Yeah. So what I can do, I just paste it here. I pasted. I know that what are the things. This is recipient. As per things, you just change your this one personalize. Okay. Then I save and quit. I just save and quit. And one more. This is a test, a campaign I have created. Okay, I'll save and activate. Then one more email template I need to create for B test. And I can use the tactic changes. Suppose this reveal the magic 50%. This one. Here, what I can do, 1 minute. One more B template, I can use it here. B T B template, then subject line. Suppose I have changed my subject line as per the reveal the magic 50% new membership Black Friday. For example, I have told you this the next step, and the same content I'll use there. I need to change in A/B testing. I just changed my subject line here, not other things. Then you can change also the content, but I just changed my content like subject line right now. I'll not change my content. Then I save and quit. I created two templates. One is for A subject line and the B subject line, and the save and activate. I just save and activate. That means I have created two subject line here. See, A test, A template and B template. Then I'll create a automation here. I do not have the A/B testing, but I have the options to create my A/B testing in automation. How to create that? Create a automation. It will take some little bit of length, but it will easy. Then A/B test sequence. Description, you can use it. Then create an automation. Yeah, the same thing. What I do, I'll just go on contact details. I just go if contact is added to my list. Then what I can do, I just go to list. Okay. Then I just click on this button. I just wait for 5 minutes. I just wait for 5 minutes. What I can do here, because okay, that I have given you this section. What I can do, I just put a if else condition here. No, what I can do, I just send a new mail. What I can do, I just send a welcome email here. And okay. And then I'll put the A/B testing, A/B condition. What I can do, I just go and if else condition, if that marketing activity, I think is if my campaign is open anytime. Any campaign means my welcome campaign is opened or not anytime. I just go on okay, click on that. Then I'll change it here. If I'll check if it is okay, then I'll send this email. If A/B split is there, but it is not working for free. So what you can do, just say the same thing. A/B testing also you can do that. A template. Okay. Then if here also you can put it else condition. If people is going to open my that's a written or template, I think it is not there, but let me check once more. Okay. I think it is not there, but what you can do if else. I think here it is not there for every sequence. Wait a minute. I'll just check that. Yes. So what you can do, I think this one we can remove it. Yes. So here, once the people is going to open your email, so you can create a A/B split A/B test, that is in the sequence they have given the option. So then you can do it like this. Yeah, A is the A/B testing and B is the testing. Once you can check it if this A/B testing is going to, like, people is going to open or not. So there you can use it. Some if else condition. I think in the things is not there. Yeah, I think for a free version they are not accepting the A/B testing, but you can do only the sequence. So sorry for that, I have not gone through all the things in the A/B testing. So for here, because I have another email marketing tools, so that's why I have not gone through the here. So yeah, so this is the way you can create the sequence. A/B testing is not happening, but here whenever you are putting it, creating your sequences, right? So there you can use it as per your variation. You can use it very different types of sequences. Any got it right? What minute? Yes. So you got it right, Ravi and Praveen. Yeah, you can unmute. No issues. It's done. We are already done it.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not doing the A/B testing. That is okay. No problem. You understood the process.
You understood the process, right?
Right.
Okay, Praveen. I think he's on different channel. Praveen, are you there? Okay, no issues. We can discuss later. Ravi, can you please let me know, like, what are you, what your niche now?
I'm into two niches. One is business coaching and one is self-image. So I've done this for the self-image, whichever the prompt you have sent in yesterday's session you have given. I used those prompts in Chat GPT. And thank you so much. Before your session, I was working on only one thing. But today, when I put your prompt in the Chat GPT, I got 10 new ideas. So instead of focusing on one particular thing, I can focus on 10 different things now. So my mind is completely open. That is just because of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, one more thing also is a surprise, and the surprise is whatever I'm also into a service category. Okay.
Yeah.
And in the service category, I'm giving the copywriting, creating the copywriting for email, and for the sales copy, landing page copy also I'm creating.
Very good.
Okay, and these services I'm also giving you a lot of persons, because right now I'm working on a people who is into a teaching line. Okay, the online teaching. Before that he was doing offline teaching, but now he comes to online teaching. So that I started with market research and lot of things, create copywriting, how to create the landing pages and lot of things. But I'm not into the landing pages, but I'm just creating their copy now. So that's they are going to, that will help you to help them to create their landing pages. Okay, that up to here I created, but I started with email marketing with this email marketing tools, because it is very, and it is free and very much like helpful for me to create all the things. Because if you go for MailChimp, right, MailChimp is little bit confused. Okay, it's getting confused every time. And I'm also using a paid tool. Okay, that is Active Campaign. I was using a ConvertKit before. that is also a paid tool, but I was using free for 15 days, 13 days. Then I'll not use it because I do not want to go with this platform. So that's why I'm not using it. Okay. And as I already told you in the first class, I have into a service, and whatever the service I am going to give my audience, already I given to my audience the same service, you are getting free. You will get free because this is the like I'm going to give you surprise. That means you are the winner of the 3-day challenge.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much.
So you will get all the things. I'll give you recording also. I'll give you recordings, and as per that, I'll help you to create your from started with email setup, then subject line, whatever the you just we will both will sit and create that. Okay.
Fine, fine.
But I need to help you to how to set up all the things.
Thank
Then
you.
subject line, your call to action, what type of call to action, the email sequences, that webinar sequences, your if you because people are coming to your pages and he's paying he try to pay but not paying the product and leave it, and abandoned cart, that is called abandoned cart sequences.
Yeah.
Then follow-up sequence also I create for you. And yeah, these are the sequences. I'll also give things what we are going to create it. When we'll start that, I'll give you a date so that we can start upon that. Okay, that's fine, right?
Yes, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. So I think 1 minute. Just a minute, please. I think Praveen on mute, so I okay, I can help you. I'll call him later.
Yes, yes.
Okay, 1 minute, just a minute, like I'm getting it something. Okay, no issues. So you're going to be spotlight. One minute, I need something. Can you make a post? No. Okay, no issues. So yeah, you got it right what I said. So I'll give you I think what you can do, I'll send a message in personal here. Okay, you just send your information so that will help me to just a minute. Ravi Verma, direct message. Okay.
Yeah.
Please send your information. You just send me here. That will help me to set up a call with you.
Here or on your WhatsApp?
Yeah, that's fine. You just directly send me in WhatsApp. That's fine. Yes. Okay. Praveen, are you there? I think Praveen.
What I have to send my number and my email ID. What?
Yes,
what I have to send?
number, email ID, and name, nothing else.
Okay. Yeah, I'll send you on the WhatsApp.
Mhm. Yeah, I need a screenshot, so that's why. Okay.
Yeah.
So, got it right?
Yeah.
Then yeah, we good to go. I think we have done our 3-day challenge successfully. And how was the session? Just give a
Superb challenge.
review, and so that will be
I have
fine.
attended first time this kind of challenge because I'm a my knowledge is good, but I was not a technical person. But the way you guided me, it is good for every normal person who can send the information to their clients via email. That is very important for every individual, and it will help me a lot. And I'm also a coach, and I'm handling more than say 1,000 mentees, so I can pass this information to my mentees also, and it will boost them also.
Yes, that's fine. Yeah, that is a good point you said. Yeah.
Thank you so
So
much.
3 days was going good, right?
Yes, and this is the probably the second time I've attended any webinar for regular days. Means usually I won't attend this because I am also very occupied on my days, and usually Friday, Saturday, Sundays are my most busiest days. But
Yeah.
that was session was yours, and the content was so good, and you presented very well. I attended for all 3 days, and I've done the
Yeah.
assignment for day 1 and day 2
I
also.
saw you are sending message and doing the things.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much for participating with me. And yeah, we'll grow together. No issues.
Yes, we'll go together. Surely, I'll also give my contribution to you and your community. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah,
So, thank you. I'm leaving. Yeah, thank you so much.
yeah,
Okay.
sure. You can leave. No issues. Hi Praveen, are you there? You can send a message if you are busy now, so that I can directly reach out to you in the mail or message. Are you there, Praveen? I want to talk to you something, so that's why I'm telling you. Are you there? I think you are in mute. No issues. I can directly reach out to you personally. So yeah. So this is our 3-day challenge, and it is done successfully. So yeah, we'll meet in the new challenge. So maybe next week or next to next week. So till then, bye. Good night.